Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on part 10 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the last video, we were able to create the stairs. Now we're gonna continue working on this. We could start off by creating the second floor. So what we can do is select level 2. And as you can see, we have our underlay turned on. So under your properties, underlay is right here. Usually it's automatic that it will see level 1. That's to help you add in any information that you want to, like for example, at least you can see where everything is going. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna select the exterior wall number 1 here, knowing that we already have it. We could use CS or create similar, which is under this modify, or just type in CS once you select that. So now we'll be able to add exterior wall number 1 directly right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna select C1 right here, and then here we're going to go all the way to C number 3. So once we do that, we could go right here to our B3, and then going across right here to B5, and then going down all the way to J5, going across right here to J3, going down again to H3. We actually need to go back right here. We need to push this back. So instead of J3, go into J4, and then CS here again, going right here to H4, and then going across right here to H1, and then here we need to go around here, and at the same time we need to go to C1. So here I'm going to extend this right here, going across right here, and right here. So I'm not gonna attach it for now, so I'm gonna align it AL so that we could align it to all together, and then going across there so that everything looks good. It's overlapping. We can turn off the underlay now. Later on we could turn it on, because we could basically CS a lot of stuff that are down there already. So here I'm going to put it to none and click on apply, and then here we could hide it for now, hide element, and then if we want to show it again, we could just reveal it later on. So now we're going to probably extend the glass so that it's all the way to the top, and it looks good because at least it's showing all of this. We have something that is from outside but at the same time indoor, so we have our own oasis. So now we can click on wall again and choose interior wall number 1, because we're going to add our walls right here. So now I'm gonna box this off, so I'm gonna connect it here all the way up to here. So H3 up to F3, and then here we will have our bedroom again, and then here I'm just going to put up to 3000, going down to 900, or maybe more, 1000, make it 1000, 1000, and then here we could connect it back right here. And then I'm gonna undo that AL so that we could align it all together properly before connecting it. It's easier that way. And then here what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna extend it all the way right here. So for now, CS, this will be exterior wall. I'm going to extend this so that we have enough room. At the same time, SL to split element on this, SL, we could split element on this side, and then we could just move it all the way right there. So now we will have the washroom right here, and then a bedroom right here, and this washroom is for the two rooms that we have on this side. So you will add a door right here and a door right here for connection. And then here, what we can do is we could add in 3000, around 3400 on this side. And then we're gonna connect it here before we need to align this. So align it here, and then you need to push it. And then this is the walk-in closet for the masters. We can extend that as well, and also we could extend here, and then we're going to have our washroom right here as well, so 2500. And might as well connect it all the way right here. And this will be open area. At the same time, we're gonna be able to see the stairs from the outside. And then here, just connect it. And then here, we just need to extend this wall all the way right here, so it's connected. So once they come up, they'll be able to enter to the masters. And then we have the washroom, the ensuite right here, and then the walk-in closet, and we have another bedroom right here. So now what I'm gonna do is let's turn on our underlay. The reason for that is so that we could reuse some of the furnitures that we already have added. So for example, like the door, we have 700 by 2000. We're gonna reuse that and add it right here. We could add it on this side for the walk-in closet, or we could just add it on this side. Spacebar to change orientation. And then here we're going to add the washroom right here. Or I'm thinking I should add it on this side instead so that everything will flow correctly here. And then here, like, we could add in the door right here. And then, as like I said earlier, we have a door right here, and we have this door that connects both of the, or that could be used for both of the bedrooms. We could extend it a little bit more, as you can see, 1200, or maybe 1100 is good enough. And then we could add in, because we have this one right here, I want to add the closet on this side. So CS interior wall, around 700 is good. And then here we could just close this off, as we added this room for here. So around 800, because we have enough space here, as you can see. So let's insert the bed. So let's go to insert, load family, and go to furniture. And then we have a bed here. I'm gonna use bed box. Click open, CM, and let's change it to queen. And we're going to add the queen bed right here, facing there, and the bed also on this side. And then we have the bed on this side as well. At the same time, let's add the one that we have, the nightstand below. So we're going to add it right here. So see how easy it is to add once you already have it loaded. So I'm just adding it right now. I click it and then I type in CS. Here we could just move this one a little bit. MV. I know it's kind of confusing because there's underlay below and it's just disrupting what we're seeing. But once we turn that on, everything will look nice. And then here we could just move it a little bit so that we have enough space for the nightstand here. So I'm just nudging it in place as we have enough room. And then after that, let's add in the toilet. CS on that. I'm gonna add the toilet right here. And then also we could have the toilet right here for this side. And then we're going to add a sink. CS. Sink on this side. Might as well add two because this is an ensuite. Hopefully we'll be able to add. So CS on this. Let's try and adding it here. 2. And we're going to put shower right here. So we'll be able to add all of those. Even though it's tight, just to show that we have 2 sinks. And looks like everything that we need to add is already added. Now we could turn it on again, turn off it. So we just need to put it to none and then click apply. And then now the best thing to do is to add the detailed line, thin line, and then just add it like that. And then here, add it there. And then after this, I want to add the door right here. So we need to go to insert, load family, go back to the main, look for doors, residential, and then we have the sliding door. So we need to look for that. Sliding door, click on open, load everything. Just select one of here and then scroll down, hold on shift, and then select the bottom and then press OK. It will highlight everything. Now it's a door, so we need to type in DR, and then here we could add the appropriate size. So I'm gonna put in 17 or maybe 18 for this one. 1800 by 2000 is good enough. Here that's stretching it too much, so we're going to put 1700. That's good enough there as well. We don't need it here because we need to add in a walk-in closet. At the same time, we need to add annotate, detailed line again, but the demolish because it's dash line. Let's add more information. And then here, the good thing is we could add shelvings on all throughout here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put in thin line first, and then add 600 all throughout here. There we go. And then make it 600 here as well, so that everything is consistent. And then we could just add in the thin line afterwards. Demolish, pick line, and then offset this to probably 50. I want it to be consistent so that I just use pick line, and then we could just trim on those corners. And then you can even add an island if you want, but I think that's good enough. I'm happy with this. And then actually here we could just move it back because we have actually enough room on this side, so I didn't notice that when we're adjusting it earlier. Move it, MV to move, and might as well add in the lighting there. So go to insert, load family, and then go to lighting, architecture, internal, and then we have a table lamp. Click on open and then type in CM, and we could add it right here for now. Add in a section so that we know what is the height. So here what we could do is align it all the way to the top. There we go. So now it should be 762 from the top, but because we're just using CS, it will recognize the offset of the height. So we don't need to type in the 762 anymore because it registered whatever we added before. And then next thing is I want to add the shower. So let's go to load family, go back to the main and go to plumbing, architecture, fixtures, and then we have showers, and then we have this one. Type in CM and let's just add it on here. And as you can see, we don't have enough space actually here, so might as well just add one of this, and then at least we have enough there. And here we could see that I want to know 1700, so we need to duplicate this and then put probably 1700 on this side, and there we go. We added the shower there, and we're going to add the shower here as well. CS, space it right here. We have enough space on this side, so I think we're just gonna leave it like that. We can even put a stall toilet right here that is covered, so we could actually edit, duplicate, create an interior wall number 2, and here we could just change the size to 50, and then here CS, add it first right here, change it back CS, and there we go. I'll align it, and we have at least a stall right here. We could remove this and we can make it much grander because we have a big sink here that is spaced out properly. And then we just need to add a door, probably a smaller door. We can move it a little bit, and then move this one on this side, and then here we could just make it smaller, 600, and push it back. There we go. I think that's good enough. So we're gonna stop here for now and continue in the next video. Thank you for watching and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.